Greetings, this is Charles Darwin, and what you are observing is the transit of Venus, where Venus appears to move across the face of the Sun as seen from the Earth. This only happens every couple of hundred years, in 8-year pairs, separated by a couple of hundred years. When this occurred in 1761, there was a Frenchman named Guillaume Le Gentil who wanted to see it. And so he traveled to India to see it. However, he was unable to land because war had broken out, and so he had to watch it from a boat, but since the boat was lurching so much, he was not able to observe it. So he decided to stay 8 years and watch the 1769 transit of Venus. And then what happened is it had been clear for several days, several weeks before, and he built an observatory, but the day of the transit of Venus, it was cloudy. That drove him nearly to the brink of insanity. But he went back to France, and he discovered that he had been declared legally dead because nobody knew where he was. And so his wife had remarried, his property had been confiscated, and his coveted seat in the Academy of Sciences had been taken by somebody else. However, eventually, with the aid of the king, he was able to get his property back. He remarried, he lived another 21 years, and he got his coveted seat back in the Academy of Sciences. So astronomers have, for hundreds of years, wanted to observe this event. And as the sun sinks in the west, in San Diego, California, this is the last time that any of us are going to see the transit of Venus. This is Charles Darwin. Tally ho, and amen.